So we roll up on this furnace that isn't running. Let's take a look at the control board, and that's a 3. 1, 2, 3. We take the front cover off. Well, we can see our draft inducer isn't turning very freely. And I know that's not going to start like that. I can feel the power of magnetism in there wanting to start it, but it's not going to start with me in that tight. So we're going to spray some lubricant on there, see if we can get it loosened up a little bit. Now the light on my GoPro went off, so that's what that is. It wasn't charged enough. So I'm going to spray some penetrating lubricant on there. I'd rather it be regular lubricant, but I don't have that with me right now. And that'll help loosen this up. See if we can get it running. So this will show better where I spray it. In the front, in the back. That makes a big difference. So here it will start up. There it goes. It's quite a bit looser now, so it'll allow it to start. We need to make sure that the igniter comes on and the burners come on. Then we'll go back and check that light. See what that light was. It'll just take a minute for the furnace to fire up. Now even if this puts it off till Monday or until you can order a new one online, it's going to save you some money. I know this repair might cost around $500. Our igniter's on and our flames are on, so the furnace is running. We got our draft inducer running again. That 3 was a pressure switch stuck open. Well, it was stuck open because the inducer wasn't coming on. Close it to allow the furnace to come on. And we can see that's quite a bit looser than when we first started. I'll do one more spray on there. And we'll fire it up again, make sure it comes on. See if we're in good shape. So we were able to get our furnace running. It comes on and runs pretty good now. Hopefully you'll be able to get your inducer order. And this will help you out. Get your furnace running.